All of us have been conditioned to react a certain way. This forms a routine in our daily lives. The challenging part is for us to move away from this routine and face challenges whilst challenging your normal routine. By accomplishing this, you could see yourself taking more risks which will ultimately better yourself and your mind. You wish to become more confident with being uncertain. The uncertainty which lies between not seeing ahead as your vision is pitch black. You shine a flashlight on it, however still fail to see much more. A sea of what ifs makes it impossible for you to hold the sand beneath. It takes you by your feet until you fall down. And once again, your creativity is on a strong tidal wave and is leaving the shore faster than you would have anticipated. What you later discover is that bitterness will seep into your mind when you resist to swim in the sea. You use the strong tide as yet another excuse, knowing fine well you would have stood exactly where you were on the shore, no matter the weather. If the sea halts you down, you should stand back up, make sure to run past it and never fall down the same way again. The fear of falling is an accomplishment in itself. Don't picture yourself drowning in it, because that doesn't need to happen. What needs to happen is for you to lock the doubtful door on your way out. For now, it has served its purpose.